Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn what is balanced diet. What is At first we need to know what is diet. A diet that has all the nutrients in right amount and dietary fiber and water is called diet. Meaning, diet is one kind of food materials that has adequate amount of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber and water are balanced diet. In this picture you can see what is diet. There is adequate amount of fats and proteins, carbohydrate, and vitamins and minerals and water also. This picture shows some food items that make a balanced diet. In order to then if someone asks why we need to get balanced diet, why we need a balanced diet, then we can say that a balanced diet is so much necessary for us, for our healthy living, for our life, for staying healthy. A balanced diet is needed. If we don't take a balanced diet or a good diet for long time, we can be ill, or our health can be harmed. Okay, we should eat food items from each of these food groups daily. Now we are going to learn what is preservation of food. If food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly, they got spoiled. Okay, we know that if we put food outside from fridge, or can't we don't put this food um, in proper place or not stored properly, they get spoiled or rotten. Such food items are bad for our health. Rotten food or damaged food are not good for our health. We all know that. Preservation of food prevents from getting spoiled. So we preserve food for why? To prevent getting spoiled of food. We can preserve food in number of days. Drying. There are some ways by that we can preserve food and increase the how much time they can stay. There are some ways that food can be preserved. Drying. Removing water content from the food is example of drying. Drying grapes to get resins. We know resins are called in Bengali kishmis. We make resins drying grapes, so resins can stay more and more days. Pickling. Mixing fruit and vegetables with salt and oil are process of pickling. We can mix mango, lime, and other vegetables with oil and salt. In this process, food stay longer. Refrigerating. This is the most common way to preserve food. We all preserve food in our refrigerator or fridge. Keeping food in the fridge to preserve it for a short time. For example, keeping cooked food and fresh vegetables in the fridge is a way of refrigerating. Now it comes to deep freezing. Keeping food in freezer to preserve it for longer time. For example, keeping meat and fish in deep freezer. We sometimes you can notice that your mom put meats or fish in the deep freezer. This process is called deep freezing. Canning and bottling. Storing food in can and bottle, for example, bottle of sauce and jams. Now, resting posture and exercise are parts of our life or staying healthy. It's all are necessary. Our body needs rest for proper functioning. School children need 8, 9 to 11 hours of sleep in a day. Lack of sleep may result in improper functioning of body and we get ill. It can make us fall ill. Therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. Posture refer to body position. What is posture? Posture is a body position. This is important to us to keep our backs up straight, upright and while standing or sitting. Incorrect posture over a long period of time can lead to pain in joints and muscles. If we don't sit properly or don't walk properly, it can harm our body or it can damage our body. So we need to we need to sit and walk properly and sit in correct posture for staying healthy. I hope you all understand that. If anyone have any problem, let me know. I will explain that to you personally. Goodbye.